Hello everyone, my name is Chris and today I'll be showing you how to design and print this object. It's basically an object that is printed in a PLA plastic. I call it the Viking Spartan helmet because it looks like a Viking helmet and has the Spartan facial. So let's get started. So that's the final product after the printing. That was printed in a red PLA. This one was printed in a blue PLA. This one in black. All of them look cool. They're just simple models, nothing very complex. So that's the first video of my series, design and print. So where I design parts and print them with my printer and make a video of it, of the design and the print. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.